pain. A quiet peace, a wish takes flight. Christmas is here, filling the air with joy and cheer. A season of love, holding all that we hold dear. So let the bells ring out, let every voice sing